Welcome. If you're looking to go invisible on Discord using your mobile device, you're in the right place. Maybe you want a little privacy, or you just don't want anyone to know you're online while you check your messages or play around with your servers. Whatever your reason, changing your status to invisible is super simple, and I'll walk you through it step by step with the latest method for 2025. First, grab your phone and open up the Discord app. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen where you see all your servers and chats. Now, take a look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up your user settings and profile page. Once you're on your profile page, focus on your profile picture again. You'll notice a small status icon, usually a green dot if you're online, or another color if you've set a different status. Tap on this status icon right on your profile picture. This is the key to changing how you appear to others on Discord. A menu will pop up with several status options, like online, idle, do not disturb, and, of course, invisible. Tap on invisible. Instantly, your status will change, and you'll appear offline to everyone else, even though you can still use Discord just like normal. You can browse servers, send messages, and join voice chats, all while keeping your online presence hidden. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Discord status to invisible on mobile. It's a quick and easy way to get some privacy whenever you need it. If you ever want to go back to being visible, just repeat these steps and choose online or any other status. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Discord tips and tricks. See you next time.